We are on pins and needles in the Janus versus AFSCME case.
This court case is so critically important for all Americans.
We're going to get a decision today, and I'm nervous and anxious. I'm finally going to get a conclusion to all of our hard work for the last 3 years.
Again, breaking news from the Supreme Court. If you just missed it a moment ago,
the Supreme Court has just dealt a huge blow to organized labor.
In a 5-4 ruling, the justices struck down a law that forced non-union workers to pay fees that go to collective bargaining.
Today, the Supreme Court ruling is an historic victory.
This is the biggest victory for workers' rights in a generation. Now, all of those workers will have a choice.
It's up to the worker to decide what they want for themselves, not some other larger entity.
And today, workers all over the country, 5 million, were freed because the court decided the workers should be in charge.
I'm ecstatic, kind of like a dream come true.